I will bring them. I know each and every person here can say that somebody invited me. Says that this person invited me. This person invited me. This person invited me. But who invited her? So God invited you. So the minute you get here, you are here because you are God's guest of honor. Uyashobora kwitwa umushitsi wanje, uyakwitwa umushitsi kubera ko baziranye, her unuriya bara you, ariko wowe I'm here to tell you, ahaguruka ndi hano kukubwira God knows you. He knows your heart. He knows your tears. He knows the pillow of the night. When you say that where is my rescue coming from? So I'm about to give you the word that David said. He says, where can my rescue comes from? But he understood it very quick. That his rescue is not going to come from the east. It's not going to come from the west. But I will look up to the hills. And I will look up to the heavens, where my help comes from. And I'm telling you tonight, the same way he knows you, the same way he brought you here, the same way he guides you here, is the same way he's going to guide you in every step of the way. And do not worry, you're probably sitting down there and your heart is beating. Also, I'm supposed to be awake. No, I'm supposed to be awake. I'm supposed to be standing there. He says, what is gonna be now that I'm not awake? Oh, don't worry. Oh, don't worry. Oh, don't worry. God has said it 3 times. So this flower, take it and put it as a symbol. Whenever that things are not going right, just look at it and remember that that is a promise. How do you call it? The rainbow? No, how do you call the rainbow? And when he brought it up, he said, every time you look at it, remember it's my promise to you. Remember that it is a promise that I gave to the world that I will never gonna destroy it again.